Alright, let's break down help desk services, what they do, why they matter, and how they boost your IT game. So what exactly are help desk services? Think of them as the go-to resource when tech headaches strike. Whether you're an employee who can't log in, or a customer stuck with a glitchy app, the help desk is your lifeline for fast, reliable support. Now what do they actually do? First up is incident management, logging and resolving issues like software meltdowns, password fails, and system outages. Next, service requests. These are your everyday fixes like getting a new app installed or resetting your password. Most help desks also pack a knowledge base, FAQs, how-to guides, and troubleshooting steps, so you can try solving things yourself before calling in backup. And everything runs through a ticketing system, so nothing slips through the cracks. If things get tricky, escalation protocols fire up, routing your issue to the real tech wizards. How do you connect? There's something for everyone. Phone calls, emails, live chat, web portals, or even someone showing up at your desk if you're in a big company. There are different help desk flavors too. Internal help desks keep your employees humming along, while external help desks make sure your customers stay happy. There are specialized IT desks for hardcore tech issues, and managed help desks that you can outsource to the pros. Why does this all matter? Simple. Faster problem solving, happier users, less downtime, and way better tracking of what's actually going on in your business. And if you're shopping for tools, check out names like Zendesk, Freshdesk, Jira Service Management, ServiceNow, or Zoho Desk. Each one brings something different to the table, whether you want automation, deep analytics, or just a super clean interface. Need help setting up your own help desk, comparing software, or mapping out your support flow? Let me know in the comments. I'm here to help.